In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the GoDaddy website builder to change your theme quickly and easily. If you're trying to update the look and feel of your website, switch to a different design, or customize things like colors and fonts, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to your My Products page in GoDaddy. This is where all of your registered products and websites are listed, so it's the best place to begin when you want to make changes to your site. Once you're there, find the website you want to edit. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to make sure you select the correct one so you don't accidentally open the wrong project. After you find your website, open the Website Manage page. This is the dashboard where GoDaddy gives you access to your site settings, editing tools, and management options. From here, you'll be able to launch the website builder. On the new page, click Edit Site. This will open the GoDaddy website builder and take you directly into the editor where you can make visual changes to your website. Give it a moment to load, and once it opens, you'll see the main editing interface. Now, look at the right panel inside the builder. This is where GoDaddy keeps your design and customization options. Click on Theme, and from there you can start changing the overall style of your website. Depending on the theme tools available, you can adjust the theme itself, update your colors, and change fonts to match your brand or the style you want for your business. This is one of the easiest ways to give your website a completely different look without rebuilding the whole page from scratch. If your site feels outdated or doesn't match your branding, changing the theme can make a huge difference in just a few minutes. As you make changes, take your time to preview how the new theme affects the layout, the typography, and the color scheme. Try a few different combinations until you find something that looks clean, professional, and easy to read. A good theme should not only look nice, but also make your content stand out and improve the overall user experience. Once you're happy with the new look, make sure to save or publish your changes so the update goes live on your website. And that's it. You've now learned how to use the GoDaddy website builder to change your theme, customize your colors and fonts, and refresh your site's design. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more GoDaddy tutorials and website builder tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.